Alright guys, I got my curl kit. This is for the month of September 2020. So you guys just got it in the mail today. And I'm going to show you. And we always get the Curl Life magazine. It all comes in every curl kit. And you know, just little things. There's some of the things that we probably got in here. They have Pro Style products in here, some products from Eden's Bodywork, some hair yam, and a product called Opium. So, actually hair yam. But let me go through what I got in the box. First thing we got is the Eden's Bodywork Natural Deep Conditioner with jojoba oil. Check it out. This has been around for a while because I've had this before. And it's just a thick base conditioner. Smells like conditioner. Doesn't really have a smell, just has like a conditioner like smell, but not really perfumey. It says paraben free, sulfate free. That's good. Next thing we got in the box was this Hair Yum. Saying Yum. And it's a vegan and organic blueberry. It says blueberry deep conditioner. And it moisturizes, restores, and strengthens your hair. Let's see what it looks like. This is it right here, and then it has a little thing you can pull up, and it does smell like a blueberry smell. Let's see, it's blue and thick. Can't wait to try that. The next thing we have here is Coconut Restore. It's a cashmere hair softening tonic. I think I've seen this before in the box. It's by Nature's Protein. And I'm trying to read it to see what it says. It says it's supposed to bring softness to dry, coarse hair. Spraying your hair on a section of time to massage. This is right here. Next thing we got is this right here. It's the Cognac Oil by Pro Style. It's a recreational styling. It's for recreational styling, it says. And it says fragrance free, and it's a extra whole aloe vegan. This is extra whole confidence in all your hair. And this is a styler. Might be, it's like a gel. Open it up. Has little, like a little slight little fragrance. You can see it. And it's like a light gel, not too hot. It's probably not like to hold your hair down much, but it's like a light styling gel. If you want something light to use, this is a light styling gel. It says it has vitamin E, and it's gluten-free, and it has cognac oil in it. No alcohol, no parabens. The next thing I have is a Pro Style CBD oil hair cream. And it's a hair cream with omega-3, 6, 9 in it. It also has no alcohol, no parabens, and it has amla extract in it. Amla is like some Indian spice or herb that they use. And it says it's a rich hair balm. It has CBD oil, coconut oil, rosemary extract, sesame seed oil, and sapphire oil. When you open it up, it has a little thing on it. This smells good. This smells like a now later, some type of candy. It smells like, or like a cotton candy smell. This is real good. This is my box for October 2020. I cannot wait to use these products, especially the CBD oil and the Cognac Oil. Never seen anything like that. But that's my review, and thanks for watching.